All right, what's going on, guys? T. Torres back here for another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be installing the SC Project slip-on for the 2024 Honda Transalp. I'm going to go ahead and play a clip for you now, what the bike sounds like stock with the baffle in and with the baffle out. Open this bad boy up. I opened it up just to make sure everything was good to go. Looks like we got some mounting hardware here. Yep, so we got the clamp, mounting hardware for the bracket. Okay, let's take an actual look at this beautiful, beautiful muffler. All right, so here is the muffler. I think it looks amazing. This did take me several months. I think this actually came from, it either came from Italy or Germany, I don't remember, but I'll have a link down in the description to where I got it. And then here, I think we just got some stickers and some installation instructions, but we're not gonna need that. I cannot wait to hear what this bad boy is gonna sound like. Our arrow headers came in too from across the pond. I'm gonna hold off on installing those until we get like maybe a power commander or something. I'm afraid the bike's gonna run a tad bit too lean, so that'll be for a future install as well. But let's go ahead and get this factory garbage off. All right, so this is the first video since Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. It was a good Thanksgiving, spending it with the family. And I said I wasn't gonna talk about it in the video, but oh man, this Iron Bowl this year, Auburn had it in the bag, man. Leave it to us to mess it up. But I said I wasn't gonna talk about it, but we're not gonna talk about it much. But first things first, to get this factory slip-on off, you have a 12 millimeter here, and then we're gonna work our way up top and get this bolt off at the top. All right, so just like the bottom, you have a 12 up top here as well. That one was on there a little more tighter. And we picked up another rod for the channel too, but we're not gonna reveal that. Went and picked it up from a guy in Chattanooga. The Navi is sold and gone. All right, let's see, what else do we have to do to get this factory junk off? Oh, wow. All right, so it's literally 2 bolts. 12 millimeter on the bottom, 12 millimeter up top. So we'll go ahead and put some gloves on, and let's go ahead and fit the SC Project up. All right, I don't know the exact weight difference, but just from picking up the factory slip-on and then picking up the SC Project, I'd say there's a substantial amount of weight difference for sure. All right, so first things first, in the goodie bag that they give you for your hardware, you have 2 little clips. You know, slide them in, you'll hear it go. Probably hope we put it in the right way. Okay. Okay, that one's in, and then SC Project is gonna sit just like that. Okay, you have another plastic washer that sits in the inside, just like that. And then the 2 supplied screws are gonna go like so. Let me get down here and get this eyeballed. Okay, we'll just get that one started. And we'll get this one started as well. Okay, we'll tighten that up later. All right, so also here's a factory exhaust baffling or gasket, you should say. I'm actually gonna leave this one on there. This one's actually on and looks pretty decent. And then you have your little coupler slip-on. That's gonna go like so. So let me go ahead and mount the slip-on, and then yeah, this is gonna be an under 20-minute job. All right, I forgot to mention this exhaust has a little bit more performance gain than the other one. And here's the certificate authentication. This is the Explorer 2 muffler. It does about 1.5 horsepower and then 1.4 foot-pounds of extra torque. So we got everything slid on. We have this on loose. We need to tighten that up. And then this piece here is gonna go back behind just like that. You're gonna use the factory bolt and nut that you took off. That was your 12 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and get that tightened. Okay. Get this good and tight. A little bit past snug, okay. And then you're gonna come down here. You're gonna cover this up towards the middle here, okay. We're gonna angle that down just a little bit. Go ahead and we'll finger tighten this. And then let's go ahead and get our little accent. That's too big. Okay, maybe this one's it. Yep, all right, let's go ahead and get you tight. Okay, don't need to go extremely tight here. And you know, at the time that I bought this exhaust, the Yoshimura pipe wasn't out yet, so we're gonna go with this one for now. I still need to install the center stand as well. Let's see, it's probably going to be an 8 millimeter, which is, let me go get it, it's outside. Okay, bottom nut on this is a 10. Get this good and tight. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna go get some isopropyl alcohol, wipe the exhaust off, and then, yeah, we'll fire it up for a cold start. All right, let's go ahead and rub this bad boy down. Ooh, I can't wait to see but hear how much better. Oh yeah, get those nasty fingerprints off. Get them off there too. Wipe this puppy down. Yeah, I think we're in this about literally 20 minutes. And I did not look at the instructions, so it's pretty self-explanatory. All right, let's wheel the bike out of the garage and see what the Transalp sounds like now. All right, let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Woo-wee! Here we go. like that new exhaust smell. Look over here and give you guys a better look at this. All right, I'm gonna go take it for a ride and see what it sounds like. See if the butt dyno can tell there's a little bit more giddy up. Okay, so first initial impressions, the bike is a lot more tamed with this slip-on than with the factory exhaust with the baffle out. But I actually love the way it sounds. And according to the butt dyno, it does feel a little bit more peppier. It doesn't have that droning noise that the factory one has, without the baffle. I imagine for the price point, for a while, a lot of people are gonna just take the baffle out of their muffler and let it ride like that. But I absolutely love the way this exhaust looks, and it's gonna fit perfect with I got some SW Motec side bags that are coming as well. And like I said, we still gotta do the center stand. We got the headers, waiting on a tuner for that. I've got still waiting on my engine guard. We still got so much stuff. I've got the plug-in for the 12-volt socket as well, so waiting on that. I have the engine skid guard for the bottom, but we don't have the mounting hardware for that. But yeah, absolutely love this bike. I cannot wait. Get the bags in. My bags should be in sometime this week as well. But that is all the time we have for today's video. Like I said, if you're interested in this exhaust, SC Project makes two different versions, the Explorer 2, and then I think it's the Rally Raid one, but the Explorer 2 that I have has a little bit more horsepower and torque, so hence why we went with that one. But I absolutely love this exhaust. Looks good, sounds good. I'm gonna go take the bike for a ride because it's been raining all day and it's finally cleared up. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Like I mentioned, make sure your post notifications are on. And I've got something big coming for the beginning of 2024. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.